talk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full.
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and you are enjoying my videos. If you are new on this channel, then let me tell you that I am Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have already subscribed to my channel, then thank you for supporting me. And in this video, I'm going to share with you all how I do my makeup step by step. Also with that, I'm going to create a glam look for you guys. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So guys, I'm all set to create today's look. First and foremost, I'm going to moisturize my face. I somewhat have a dry skin, so I really invest my time in moisturizing my face and make sure that I do it properly. And once I'm done moisturizing my face, I'm going to prime it with my Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Primer. So guys, once I'm done priming my face, next I'm going to apply my Pond's BB cream, which is in the shade 01 Original. If you use a foundation, then you can apply that, but I don't prefer using a foundation over my skin. I instead use my BB cream. I'm first going to cover my under eyes with this. And then over my neck. And then guys, with my beauty blender, I'm going to dab it all over my face. And guys, once I'm done with my BB cream, now I'm going to apply my concealer. I use the Note Concealer, which is in the shade 02 Natural Beige. I'm again going to take my beauty blender and apply my concealer with that. After this, I'm going to fix my face with my Faces Canada fixer. It's been a long time that I've been using this fixer, and I really recommend this because it really helps you to hydrate your skin. And guys, after this, I'm going to move towards my eyes. As promised, that I'm going to create a glam look today. So let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to conceal my eyes using my NARS concealer, which is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. Guys, concealing your eyes is a very important part of your eye makeup because it helps you to blend your eyeshadows easily, and also it helps you to get the correct color of your eyeshadow. For my today's eye look, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette. And the first shade that I'm going to use is Doll Face from the same. And this is the blending brush that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to apply it on my crease and gradually define my crease. Once I'm all happy with my color, next I'm going to move towards this shade. And with this, I'm going to intensify my crease. And for that, I'm going to use this blending brush. And after that, I'm going to take my other blending brush and blend both the eyeshadows. And now I'm going to take my flat brush, which already has a concealer on it, and I'm going to cut my crease. And next I'm going to take my eyeliner brush and smoothen up the concealer on my crease. And once I'm done with the cutting of my crease, I'm going to pack my eyelid with this shade, which is from my Sephora palette.
Get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine.
Wow guys, these shades are truly amazing, and I have already swatched each of these shades for you guys. If you haven't watched my video yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. And next I'm going to take my blending brush and blend both the eyeshadows. This will help you to diffuse if you have any harsh lines. And guys, you can see how our eye looks, and now I'm going to add my eyeliner to it. I use the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run.
And guys, once done, now I'm going to move towards my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics Brow Definer, which is in the shade 04 Felix Onyx.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
Well, I like to keep my eyebrows a little bit natural. I don't really make the shape of my eyebrows. Instead, I go with my natural shape and fill my eyebrows. And now for my under eyes, I'm going to use the same shade that I used for my crease.
Empty hearts.
And after this, I'm going to apply my Color Bar Kajal, which is in the shade Black 001. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. Guys, I'm not a fan of falsies. I don't apply false lashes. And if you have seen my previous videos, you must have seen this, that I keep on saying that I don't apply falsies. So I really apply a thick layer of my mascara. With this, my first eye is all done, and now I'm going to quickly complete my second eye and show you the final look. So guys, with this, my second eye is also done, and one thing that I've done off camera is wipe off my face with all the residue of my eyeshadow that has come on my face. And now I'm going to quickly bake my face with my Color Bar Loose Powder. This is the Color Bar Loose Powder which I use, and this is the shade 001 Beige Fair.
It's fine to be alone.
And next I'm going to contour my cheekbones, and for that I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics palette. This is 01 Subtle Summit. I'm going to make the fish face. And next I'm going to add blush to my look, and for that I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Blush. It has got two shades and I have a broken one. I don't know when I'm going to get a new one. Guys, I mixed both the shades, and with the same brush I'm going to remove the excess powder on my face. And after this I'm going to add the highlighter to my look, and the highlighter that I'm going to use is from the same palette. Actually, this palette has a blush, a highlighter and a contour, so I'm going to use the same highlighter from this palette. After this, the last step is I'm going to add a nude lipstick to my look, and the lipstick that I'm going to use is from Sugar Cosmetics, which is Nothing Else Matter 22 Bear Hug.
Walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time.
I hope guys you liked this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Playing like children, love like oranges. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. You take a picture of us kissing in cars, it makes my day 10 times better. Yeah. children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I